What is the hierarchy of controls in construction site safety? Imagine walking onto a construction site and knowing that every safety measure is designed to protect you from harm. That's what the hierarchy of controls is all about. It's a step-by-step system used to keep workers safe by reducing or removing hazards. This system ranks safety measures from the most effective to the least effective, helping project managers and site operators make smarter choices. It's like a safety ladder, where each rung offers a better way to prevent accidents. At the top of this ladder is elimination. This means removing the hazard completely. For example, if workers don't need to work at heights, then work from the ground is a safer choice. Or if a process involves dangerous chemicals, switching to a safer method or material can eliminate the risk altogether. This is the best way to keep workers safe because it stops the danger at its source. Next is substitution. If you can't remove the hazard entirely, replace it with something safer. For instance, using low VOC paints instead of high VOC paints reduces toxic fumes. The key is making sure the new material or process doesn't create new hazards. It's about finding a safer alternative that still gets the job done. Then come engineering controls. These are modifications to the work environment or equipment that isolate workers from hazards. A good example is installing ventilation systems to clear out fumes during painting or welding. These controls work without relying on workers to change their behavior and are more reliable than just PPE. Following that are administrative controls. These involve changing how workers do their tasks. For example, rotating workers so no one spends too much time exposed to harmful substances. Scheduling work during less busy times or providing safety training also fall into this category. These controls depend on policies and procedures that guide safe work practices. Finally, personal protective equipment is used. This includes gear like respirators, goggles, or gloves that protect individual workers. While important, PPE is considered the last line of defense because it doesn't remove the hazard itself. It depends on workers wearing it correctly every time. When managing safety on a construction site, it's best to start at the top of this hierarchy. First, see if the hazard can be eliminated. If not, look for safer substitutes. Then add engineering controls, followed by administrative measures, and finally, ensure workers wear the right PPE. Combining these methods creates a safer environment for everyone. Understanding this hierarchy helps construction teams make smarter safety decisions. It shifts the focus from relying solely on PPE to controlling hazards at their source. This approach not only protects workers better but also reduces the chance of accidents happening in the first place. It's a clear, practical way to build safer sites and keep everyone out of harm's way.